If you're a freelancer and you want to build a one-page portfolio website, or even a business owner looking to build a lightweight website, then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a full WordPress website without spending any money. And I mean zero charges, no charges whatsoever. This website comes with free hosting, free subdomain, and a free SSL certificate. So you are paying no money for the entire process, and what's best is that this tutorial is also free. So if this is what you want, then you just have to sit through this tutorial. It's going to be a very short one. It's going to take less than 10 minutes, and in less than 10 minutes you now have a brand new free website. Hello guys, I am Don John, and on this channel I always provide tutorials that will help you start and grow your business using digital marketing. And if this is your first time on this channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on the bell notification button. When you do this, you get every notification each time I release a new tutorial, and believe me, it will help you to build your brand. Also, share this video, like it, leave a comment on what you don't understand or any kind of video you want me to do for you so that it will help you in your marketing and business journey. So let's get started, guys. To get started, the first thing we are going to do is to type into the address bar Webhosting, just like this, and then you hit the enter key on your keyboard. Google's result page is going to show you the website that we want to use today, and you can see here Webhosting. That's the website we are going to use, and here says for free. But let's click on this first link and it takes us to their home page. As we scroll down the home page, you can see all the information they have here. They're telling you that you can do a professional web hosting services for all your needs, and it's going to cost you $0. All right, starting at $0. So let's click on this link, explore our services. This takes us down to where we have the shared web hosting, and here says starting at $0 US. So let's click on the shared web hosting. So I'll come down to where I have start for free, and I'll click on start for free. Then it takes me further down to where it shows me the features of the free hosting plan. It says 125 megabytes free web hosting plan. This is not the biggest web hosting plan in the world, but it's good for starters. Like I said earlier, if you just need a lightweight website, one-page website, this is going to do the work for you. So we go here to click order now. The next page tells us you are almost there, complete your order. So I'll scroll down to where I have this one selected, and it says here forever free. These are the features we are going to get: 125 megabytes NVMe disk space, free staging domain, A+ security headers, no ads, forever free SSL certificate. And guys, this is really important because this is one of the ranking factors in SEO. Then it says here unlimited everything. As you can see, this is already selected. The only thing we need to do is to scroll down to where we have domain configuration. So here you can do a bunch of things. You can register a new domain, you can transfer your domain, you can use your own domain, and you can use a free subdomain. Now, if you choose this one, this might cost you something because they might not be giving you a free domain. But if you want to use a free subdomain from Webhosting, then this is the option you are going to choose. The only difference is that this is going to be your website name .freewebhosting.com. So with that, you are going to get a free subdomain for your website, but that's okay for something that is free. Now you are going to put in any name you want here. I'm going to put in my own name, Don John. Let's say this is my portfolio website, so I'll just put here Don John, and I'll check if it's available, and boom, this is available. You can see here donjon.freewebhosting.com. Okay, if you are not satisfied with that, you can change it here, but I am very okay with this. So the next thing, I'm going to scroll down to where they have server location. This is the US, this is Brussels, this is Mumbai, and I'm going to choose Brussels because Brussels is in Europe. That is closer to where I stay. All right. After this, I'm going to scroll down. You can see here available add-ons. I'm not going to touch anything there. So I'll just scroll down all the way to where I have the billing details. Now, billing details, we have existing customer login and create new account. So if you already have an account, this is the one for you to choose. But if you don't have an account with them, then you just scroll down. This is the one for you to choose, create a new account. Now, after choosing this, you are going to go ahead to fill in your details here, your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, billing. This is going to be your billing address, but you can see it is optional. This is the company name, is optional. So you have the country, you have the street address, and then the city, the state, the postcode, and then your password. So just go ahead and fill these things in. I am going to do this for myself, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done with filling all these details. So I'll scroll down. This is the newsletter subscription. I'll just let that be. Now I'm going to payment details. I'll scroll down to where I have PayPal. Click on PayPal. And with this, I'll head over to where I have checkout. But before clicking on checkout, I'm going to click here. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. I'll advise you to read the terms of service. It's really important so that you know if this is really what you want or not. After this, I'll go ahead and click on checkout. And boom, this is it. Order confirmation. It says order placed. This is the number of my order. And just below this, it says continue to client area. So I'll click on this to continue to the client area. This is my client area, and you can see the first thing here says please check your email and follow the link to verify your email address. So I'm going to go to my email and verify the email address, and I'll be back. This is my email, and you can see I've gotten 3 mails from them. I'll just go straight to verification, and these are the verification details. Verify your email. I'll click on this link, and it says your email address has been verified. So I'll still have to click on this to continue to client area. And now you can see that information is gone because I have verified my email address. The next thing I want to do is to scroll down to where I have active product and services. You can see here, this is the name of my new website and it says active. So I'll just go to the site here and click on manage. The next page is the product details. So I'll just scroll down to where I have login to direct admin. I'll just click on that. Okay guys, the next thing to do is to come to the left hand side of this panel, and what I'm looking for is this advanced installer hub. So I'm pointing to this, and then I'm coming to this advanced installer hub. I'll click on this. It takes me to this page, and on this page I'll just come to the left hand panel once again. I'll go to blogs, click on this arrow, and then it reveals WordPress. I'll click on WordPress, and here I have the option to install WordPress. So I'll just come to install and click here saying custom install, and everything is set. Let me just scroll down to where I have the admin username, password, and everything. So under the admin username, I'll change it to Don John. For the admin password, this is okay. And for the admin email, I'll change this to my email. Okay, so I'll scroll back up after everything is okay, and then I'll simply click here, install. So this is it. It says congratulations, the software was installed. So guys, we have successfully installed WordPress, and you can see 2 links here. One is my website address, and one will link to the back end of WordPress. Okay, so I'll right click on this and open in a new tab, and I'll also click directly on this so that it will open my website. And you can see the name now, donjohn.freewebhostmost.com, and this is my website, and this is the back end of my website. So from here I can do any kind of customization. The scope of this tutorial is just to show you how you can get a completely free website without paying a dime, and also get this free SSL certificate, which is very important for SEO. So guys, that's been it for this tutorial. If you did get any value, just go ahead and click on the like button and leave a comment on the next tutorial that you want me to do for you when it comes to digital marketing and growing your business. Thank you. I love you guys. I remain Don John, and I have been your instructor for this tutorial.